Hi children, how are you all? Yes, all are doing well? Yes, very good. So children, where we are living. Where we are living? We are living here. Where? Yes, on the land, isn't it? Or in the earth we are living. We are living in the earth. What all things we can see in the earth? If we look up the sky, what all things we can see? There are also sun, stars, moon, heavenly bodies they are. They are all heavenly bodies, we say. Sky, sun, stars, moon. Isn't it? Yes. So, but we are living in the earth, isn't it? Yes. But this heavenly bodies like sun, stars, moon, etc. and the earth, including earth, together is a vast space, we say. It is called actually universe. So universe, U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E, universe. It means earth, heavenly bodies, everything together. We say it is a vast space, we say, a large area of space, we say. This is universe, we say. So earth is a part of this universe. Earth is part, other heavenly bodies are there, isn't it? Yes, so earth is a part of this universe. So we are living on the planet Earth. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Because we have air here, water here. That's why people are living here. So the only planet that has life or life exists is the earth, and we are living on which planet, children? We are living on the planet Earth. Yes or no? Yes. There are many other planets. There no one is living. So we are living on the Earth planet where the life exists. The other planets there are no life. So there is no life. So we learn about the planets, this universe, etc. today. Okay children? Yes. Lesson 21, our planet Earth. So we are living on the planet, in the planet Earth. So Earth is the only planet where the life exists. Lesson 21. Lesson 21, our planet Earth. Yes, so here we can see the two girls, our Radhika and Mihika. They are talking something. Let's see what they are talking. Hi Radhika, can you tell the name of the planet on which we live? Hi, Mihika is asking Radhika, do you know the planet, the name of the planet where we live? Yes, this is the earth on which we live. Yes, we are living on the planet Earth. So our planet Earth. Today we are going to learn about Earth, its shape, globe, maps, oceans and continents. Yes, we know that the planet Earth is a part of our universe. Universe means the universe is a vast space that includes all the planets, including Earth, stars, galaxies, moon, sun, solar system, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc. Universe includes all these things, including Earth, planets, solar system, galaxies, sun, moon, star, etc. This all a vast space, it is this universe, and our Earth is a part of the universe. Yes, so galaxy is a group of stars. Asteroids are small rocky small objects that orbit around the sun, that move around the sun. Meteoroids also a piece of rock that fall from the space to the earth, that is meteorites. Comets, we say it's a shooting star, we say. So these are small objects that we can find in the sky. So these all, sun, solar system, galaxies, asteroids, meteoroids, earth, everything together called as universe. Apart from these objects, It also contains various types of gases. Not only this, in universe we can see various different kinds of gases. The air we breathe, this is oxygen, it is a gas. Then carbon dioxide is a gas, the air we breathe out. Plants take carbon dioxide to prepare their own food, and they give us oxygen. So carbon dioxide, oxygen, there are different types of gases in the atmosphere. They are all gases. And metals. Metals means iron, gold, silver, aluminium. These are metals. So not only these sun, stars, moon, earth, we can there are different kinds of gases and also metals in it. In other words, the universe is an endlessly big area. Universe means it is endlessly, there is no end. It's a big area that existed around 13.8 billion years ago. Billion, it's a large measurement or very large number it is. Billion means a very large number. 10,000 lakh is equal to 1 billion, we say. If in terms of lakhs, if we say 10,000 lakhs is equal to 1 billion, we say. In terms of crores, if you want to say 100 crores is 1 billion. 100 crores, we can say it as 1 billion. So billion is a larger number. So 13.8 billion years ago, crore and crore years ago, we say. So the universe exists around 13.8 billion years ago. These are the planets of our solar system. So which are the planets of our solar system? Planets. Which are the planets of our solar system? Mercury. Yes, Mercury. Then Venus, Earth, Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Uranus and Neptune. Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets, our planets of our solar system. So which are the planets of our solar system, children? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There are 8 planets in the solar system. So these are the planets of our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune orbits around the sun. You can see the image here. Planets, orbits. Orbit is a path where the planets move around, isn't it? Yes, so planets orbit around the sun. Yes, so these planets together with sun forms the solar system. Yes, so planet Earth, it is a part of the universe. Universe is a vast space, including Earth, then solar system, we have heavenly bodies, etc. And it also contains some gases and metals. Yes, so we learned about the planets of solar system. Among the planet, the Earth is the only planet where life exists. Why? Because of air and because of the presence of air and water makes Earth worth living. Yes. Do you know that the Earth is the only planet in our solar system on which life exists? Yes. This is possible because the Earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of atmosphere. So atmosphere means what? It is a layer of air surrounding the Earth. Atmosphere, a layer of air surrounds the Earth. It is atmosphere, or we can say a thick blanket that surrounds the Earth. Like a blanket we use to cover ourselves. Yes. So this atmosphere is like a thick blanket. So for the Earth, a layer of air surrounds the Earth. It is atmosphere. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and the rest with land. 3/4 of the earth, 75% of the earth, most of the part of the earth covered with water. And only a little portion, 1/4, remain 25% is land where we are living. This makes life possible on earth. Because of these things, life is there on earth, or life exists in earth, or life is possible on earth. Because of the presence of air. Here we have air, the layer of air, atmosphere we say. Air we have water here. So that's why we are living here in the earth. Yes.